You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular actress Foluke Daramola, who is well known for her humanity and her team, paid a surprise visit to a veteran actor, Tunde Alabi, who lost his right foot to diabetes and now on a wheelchair, to support him with food relief pack and money.
Today, this is from the Lagos State Government. I mean, I'm going there. And this is from Para Foundation. As we know, this is Tunde Alabi. Para has been supporting the little we can support.
Yes.
And today, we're trying to come and pay you a visit. And because of this coronavirus, this is our own little support to you. I think for you, our support for the transfer to the person. At least I hope we can fully the Lagos State Government can do it. So you can know.
I thank the Lagos State Government for this gesture. And I thank Foluke Daramola with her initiative for the support they give me right from the time they heard about my sickness. I really appreciate. God in His infinite mercy will continue to bless every one of you in Jesus' mighty name. We will continue to progress, we will continue to.
I'll put the hand sanitizer. So that anybody that comes to see him will sanitize his hands because of corona.
Okay.
In a post she shared on her Instagram page, she wrote,
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.